Do you need e-commerce reports from Google Analytics 4 right now? Then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how with less than 15 seconds of setup, you can get all of the e-commerce reports you need with SlideRule's GA4 Reports app. Let's do it. Once you've installed the app, all you have to do is log in with the email associated with your Google Analytics account, accept the permissions, select the account you want to use, and select the GA4 property you want to use. And just like that, all of these reports will be created for you automatically and instantly right out of the box. You've got source medium, you've got e-commerce funnel reports, and you've got our Product Explorer that lets you explore the performance of your individual product pages so you can optimize your store for greater profits. As you can see, it's built right into the Shopify admin, so you don't have to toggle back and forth between the Shopify store and your Google Analytics 4 account to get simple answers to questions like how many add to carts did I have yesterday? It works with any GA4 tracking implementation. So if you use SlideRule's custom app or the Shopify Google Sales Channel integration or some other custom solution, this app will work right out of the box for you. Some of these reports can't even be created in the Google Analytics 4 reporting interface. For instance, search terms. In GA4, you cannot natively see the e-commerce performance of your site search, but we've built that for you right into this app out of the box using the GA4 reporting API. Most importantly, we have built all of these reports for Shopify store owners, not data analysts like the GA4 reporting interface. All of these reports are pre-built. There's no customizations required. You won't need to learn how to use a new tool. And we've based the interface on the much missed and beloved universal analytics reporting interface. So we hope you find it easy to use and intuitive to get the answers you need. In fact, with it, we hope that you will never have to log into GA4 again to get the answers you need.